show that the identity is true, we have cosecant squared x multiplied to cos squared x is equal to cos squared x minus 1. All right, let's try to break this down into the simplest way possible. Whenever I see cosecants, I want to try to turn that into its actual thing. So let's do this. Let's put cosecant squared x in the bottom and make it sine squared x. Okay, cos squared x, cos is pretty basic, so let's leave it like that. And let's try to change it into something that looks like that. Cos over sine is cotangent. So cos squared x over sine squared x is cotangent squared x. There is a little rule that says that cotangent squared x is cosecant squared x minus 1. And because of that, that allows us to arrive to our answer. So some of you might look at this and be like, all right, should we do something with maybe tangent and make that 1 over tangent squared? And then, tangent squared is the same thing as blah, blah, blah. Listen. This is good enough. Leave it like that. My proof is done. Our problem is done. Like and subscribe.